this is for Form 2 math, okay, and I'm going to talk about something that we call the error and estimation. Okay, to begin with, I just want to make sure that you remember the meaning of a significant figure. Okay, so let's look at this one, 2.03. Okay, now we can see that there will be 3 digits, and this is what we call 3 significant figures. Okay, so the meaning of significant figures means that whether we count it or not. Okay, the way will be we count the number from the left hand side, okay, non-zero digit. So in this case, when you have 0.0203, here 5 digits, but only 3 significant figures. Okay, so this is part 1. You should understand it. So only these 3 will be counted into significant figures. And then, like this one, we have 6 digits, but only 3 significant figures. Okay, and when you have 0.002030, this time we have 7 digits. Okay, but we will say this is 4 significant figures because you can see it will be, when you look at this one, even though this zero, okay, on the right hand side, we count it because it is after the non-zero digit. Okay, so that is why 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 significant figures. Okay, last one will be look like this. If we have 1.020, here 4 digits, and this is also 4 significant figures. Okay,